Lucy, a resident elephant at Amboseli National Park in Kenya, was going through her second pregnancy, which turned out to be much more difficult than her first. Her labor was prolonged and painful, lasting many hours, with Lucy crying out in distress. The park staff, who had been keeping a closer watch on her after noticing her discomfort, were ready to assist. Despite the long hours of labor, Lucy's herd provided support, surrounding her to protect her from potential predators. When the first signs of the calves' birth became apparent, the park staff called for a veterinarian. After enduring much pain and showing no progress, Lucy finally gave birth. However, when the staff looked at the newborn, they were stunned to discover not one, but two calves, an extremely rare occurrence for elephants. The last recorded twin birth was in 1980, making Lucy's situation even more remarkable. Her unusually large belly now made sense, as she had been carrying twins all along. Despite the excitement of the twin calves' arrival, the staff grew concerned. Twin births are rare in elephants due to the immense energy required to carry and care for two calves. The staff observed Lucy's older daughter, who reacted negatively to the newborns, unlike typical elephant siblings. She displayed signs of annoyance and even charged at them, which prompted an older female from the herd to intervene, calming the young elephant. As the calves tried to stand, one of them struggled greatly, failing to find its footing and collapsing repeatedly. The staff grew worried as the calf's exhaustion seemed to hinder its progress. Meanwhile, Lucy, despite her fatigue, showed clear signs of concern for her second calf, who lay motionless in the grass. The herd gathered around, attempting to encourage the calf to stand, but it remained weak, with its family growing increasingly anxious. When the second calf continued to show no sign of life, Lucy became frantic. She nudged it with her trunk and made worried sounds, prompting the herd to join her in comforting the calf. After hours of concern, Lucy's determination and love for her offspring paid off. When the calf tried again to rise, Lucy used her trunk to support it, giving it the strength it needed to stand and take its first steps. The herd celebrated, raising their trunks in triumph. The park staff, who had been monitoring the situation, were in awe of the close-knit bond within Lucy's family. As the first twin walked confidently, the second calf was still fragile, but Lucy's efforts helped it gain strength. The staff, amazed by the miracle of twin births, were overjoyed to witness the newborn's development. The staff shared photos of the twins online, which quickly went viral, attracting attention from around the world. Unfortunately, the viral post had unintended consequences. With the increased attention, poachers targeted the park, knowing that the calves were particularly vulnerable. The park had already experienced losses due to poaching and was determined to protect the newborns. Rangers were assigned to keep a watchful eye over the twins, ensuring their safety while monitoring their health. The veterinarian visited the second calf to assess its health, as it had not shown improvement. After initial observation, it became apparent that the calf was struggling. Although the veterinarian had little option to intervene directly, he managed to administer supplements to the calf, hoping to improve its chances. After some challenging moments, the calf seemed to show progress, and the staff continued to monitor it closely. Over the following days, the park staff, along with Lucy's support, helped the second calf gain strength. The older sister, who had initially been disinterested in her younger siblings, began to take an active role in their care. The entire family rallied around the calves, ensuring they received the support they needed. The second twin, once weak and lethargic, gradually regained strength, and the herd celebrated the success of the twins' survival. Thanks to the concerted efforts of the park staff, the veterinarian, and Lucy's devotion as a mother, both calves flourished. Visitors to the park were able to witness the unique interaction between the twins and their herd, a testament to the powerful bond elephants share. The story of Lucy's twin calves became a symbol of nature's resilience, and many people left the park with a renewed sense of awe for these magnificent creatures. The story not only highlighted the beauty of elephants' social structures but also emphasized the challenges they face in the wild, from rare occurrences like twin births to the ever-present threat of poaching. The park staff's dedication and the herd's collective care ensured that Lucy's twins had the best chance at survival, a rare and beautiful outcome that captivated everyone who heard the story. As the calves continued to grow stronger, the park and its community remained vigilant in their protection efforts, ensuring that these precious animals would thrive in their natural environment. The story of Lucy and her twins spread far beyond the park, inspiring people worldwide to appreciate the importance of preserving wildlife and the delicate balance of nature. Elephants, with their majestic presence and profound emotional intelligence, are truly remarkable creatures. Their strong family bonds are not just about survival, but about love and mutual care. In the wild, elephants live in close-knit herds, working together to ensure the well-being of every member. From protecting the young to guiding the elders, their society is one of cooperation and compassion. This incredible interconnectedness was on full display with Lucy and her family. As the matriarch, Lucy embodied the essence of what it means to be a leader, guiding her herd through both challenges and triumphs, and proving that love and loyalty are the foundations of their strength. Lucy's birth of twin calves was an extraordinary event, as twin births are incredibly rare among elephants. But, in the face of this challenge, Lucy's herd showed their unwavering commitment to family. The older, more experienced members of the herd took on the responsibility of supporting Lucy and her calves. Each elephant, with their deep instinctual knowledge, played a role in ensuring the survival of the twins. Some stood watch, keeping predators at bay, while others nudged the calves gently to help them find their feet. The herd's cooperation was vital, and in the nurturing embrace of their family, the calves were given every opportunity to grow strong and healthy. In the wild, survival often depends on the care and attention of the entire community, and this was especially true for Lucy's calves. The birth of twins presents a unique set of challenges, particularly when one calf struggles to stand and walk in its early days. But the herd didn't hesitate for a moment. They surrounded Lucy, supporting both her and her struggling calf, offering comfort and protection. Their actions were a testament to the empathy and compassion that elephants are known for. The herd's involvement went beyond just physical support. It was an emotional commitment to ensuring the twins' survival, showcasing how deeply these animals care for one another. As the days passed, the herd's efforts paid off. The second calf, once weak and fragile, began to find its strength. The bond between mother and calf grew stronger with each passing day, but it was the collective effort of the entire herd that truly made the difference. The older elephants offered their guidance, the young ones played and kept the calves company, and together, they created a safe space where Lucy's twins could thrive. The emotional support and the physical protection provided by the herd ensured that both calves were nurtured in a way that gave them the best chance at life. With the help of the dedicated park staff, who worked tirelessly to ensure the safety of the elephants, the twins began to flourish. Their once uncertain steps grew more confident. Their playful antics filled the air, and the calves began to explore their world with curiosity. The sight of the second calf standing tall and walking with ease was a beautiful moment, one that spoke volumes about the power of family and the strength that can be found in unity. It was a testament to the resilience of elephants, showing that, no matter how fragile life may seem in its earliest moments, with the right support, it can blossom into something strong and vibrant. By the time the twins reached their first year, they had become active, confident members of the herd. Their story was one of survival, yes, but more importantly, it was a story of love, perseverance, and community. They grew up surrounded by the wisdom and care of their elders, learning from them the ways of the wild. They became symbols of hope, not just for the herd, but for all of us. Their journey was a reflection of the beauty of nature and a powerful reminder of how love and support can create life's most meaningful moments. Through the struggles, the challenges, and the triumphs, the elephants showed that, in the end, the bonds of family are what truly allow us to thrive.